There are certain attributes that makes any machine to be called a computer, and such attributes include speed. We want to look at the characteristics of a computer. Characteristics of a computer. One characteristic that makes a computer is speed. Anything that is termed a computer, or your computer should have the required speed based on your processor speed, your RAM size, and other things that help increase the state of your computer. If you are having so much virus, too many files, you are loading plenty applications, the speed of your computer might be affected. So one characteristics of a computer is speed. Diligent and reliable. When we say a computer is a computer, it must be diligent and it must be reliable. That is the reason when you are typing your document, you have to be very careful on typographical error so that you don't distort one of the characteristics of computer. You have to type with all amount of carefulness. And another characteristic of a computer is accuracy. Your computer is always very accurate when you are using it. There is no error when it comes to using the computer. Garbage in, garbage out is what you get in computer. If you type wrongly, what you get would be error. So versatile. When we say versatile, that means you can use your computer to perform several tasks. If we say somebody is versatile, that means the person can do one or two things and he will not be tired. So when we say computer is versatile, that means you can use computer to do Microsoft, PowerPoint, Excel, load all the application, and you'll be using them at the same time. So power of remembering, that is the reason it's pertinent when you are doing something inside of the computer, or when you are using your computer. As you are doing it, you are saving it. When you save a particular document, you are storing it for future use. And the storage device here is the hard disk. And when you want to use it again, in as much as you have the file name, you know how you save it. Immediately you put the file name, your computer will bring out that document. Even though it is the next 5 years, you see, even though it is as much as, or in as much as your laptop or your desktop is still functioning, any document you save, if virus don't affect it, you can still get it anytime, any moment. So no IQ, that is no intelligence quotient, no feeding. You don't feed your computer, even though you have 20 computers in your school, in your house. There is no day they will tell you that they are hungry. The only food they eat is the power. You have to provide the right voltage to them, and they will work effectively. So storage, there is an hard disk specifically built for the purpose of storing information inside of the computer. So let's just refresh your memory on what we call soft copy and hard copy. So soft copy refers to those output or commands. We already said this, so I will not waste any time here. So soft copies refers to those output or commands, that is programs, we can see but we cannot touch. Like now you can see what I'm typing but you cannot touch it. So this is a typical example of a soft copy. we can only recognize them when we execute a command. You can only recognize them if maybe a particular program, you execute a command and you see something will happen. So example of soft copy is example document we type into the computer, PDF file of any document or textbook, programs, etc. So these are soft copies. We type this. So when we are typing this, you can see now this soft copy. I'm using a pictorial representation. This is what we are typing, but I had to project it as if nothing is happening. So but inside the computer is called soft copy. Like what you are seeing here is, if we print it out now, it turns to what we call hard copy. So let's take a closer look at what is hard copy, what is actually hard copy. So hard copy refers to those documents we can see. You can see it, you can touch it, and you can handle them physically. So when we tell you soft copy is 2000, 1000, that means you have it as PDF. You will be reading it from your phone. If your phone is off, you cannot read it because we gave you a soft copy format. But if we say hard copy, that means we have finished printing it. It is a printed version. That is exactly what we are seeing. Like Solar Exclusive, we say hard copy. Maybe this is when we were printing it. When it was inside the computer, it was termed hard copy. But sorry, soft copy. Soft copy. When it's inside of the computer, it is soft copy. But when we print them out, it is no more soft copy. We change the name and we call it hard copy. And we cannot send this book like this to you. We have to process it. We have to print the back cover, we have to bind it, and we have to trim it. That is when it turns to a different format. We are processing it. It makes it nice for you to see and to appreciate it. So when we say soft copy, maybe you are attending our training in solar system installation, design and maintenance, and you see us say this textbook is in soft copy format. Know that you will be reading it as PDF. If we say this textbook is in hard copy format, that means we will send you the hard copy. You can feel it, you can carry it to site. Even when your phone shuts down, you can still use, you can still read the system from anywhere you